All right, Carter and I are on our way to NMU Golf Course. Hopefully shooting high 70s.
High 70s today, boys.
That's what we're aiming for. So catch you when we get there. One bit out here. At 7, at 5, at 3. 1 yard out here. Here we go. Golfing in the chacos today. Oh yeah.
I sucked the first 2 or 3 holes.
Fuck it.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, have a good day, man.
Mower guy. The hell of a drive, man.
Fuck this one up, Ryan.
Up and down for par. Where are we at? What are we looking at here?
One there and one there.
One there. One's there. Looking at that. Ooh, a tough one here. Here we go. Quadruple bogey the first hole. Just like that, we sucked today, so we quit after 9. We're as bad as it gets.